What is up, you guys? It's your girl shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and thank you for tuning into my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some transparency. Not every hair day is a hair day for me. Not everything that I experiment with is always something that works out the way I want it to work out. So this hairstyle is a example of just that. So I'm just going to be showing you quickly how I experimented with bleaching knots on a frontal. I bleached it way too much and my roots were blonde. So I'm just going to show you what to do so that that doesn't happen. So you will know how to bleach knots from watching this video still, learning from my mistake. And then also, if you happen to make this mistake, it is okay because there is a way to fix it. And I'm going to show you that as well. And I'm going to show you at the very end a little bit of a hairstyle I tried to accomplish, where I was going to do a high ponytail with long hair and a frontal ponytail is what it's called. But you guys just enjoy the ride. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is I'm pushing back any baby hairs or any hairs that may be falling forward. I'm pushing everything back so that it's out of the way as we prepare to bleach the knots. So I'm using the BW2 powder lightener and mixing that with 30 volume developer. Mixing that up until I get the consistency that I'm looking for, and then putting the bleach on the knots of the frontal. Now, my first mistake happens right within this process because I wanted the bleach to become a thick consistency. So note to self and note to you guys, you want the consistency to be thick like paste, like a thick pancake mix. You don't want it runny at all. When it is runny, it will seep through the frontal, and that's how you will have blonde hair as I did. So that is one thing that messed me up, and I'm hoping that you guys don't mess up yourselves. And I used up both of the packets because while I was going to bleach those knots, I also wanted to bleach the knots of a wig that I have already. So I was killing two birds with one stone. Therefore, that's what really caused me to have this wrong consistency. But anyways, you pat the bleach onto the frontal, of course, from the back, like inside out. And you don't really want to paint it on, you want to dab it on. I let the bleach sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I started the process of washing it out using a shampoo and a conditioner.
So if you look closely, you'll see that my roots are blonde. They are freaking blonde. So what I did was I used an old eyebrow pencil and some 1B hair dye. And I am just brushing the roots of the hair with the dye so that I can fix where the hair is blonde. It's that simple, y'all. And it literally resolved my whole issue and made everything look like it never happened. So you can see that the frontal came out really, really cute. The only problem was that I was going for a frontal ponytail, and for some reason I just could not get that right. I wanted to do a high ponytail. I could get into further detail and actually show you all the footage of what happened with that hairstyle if you really want to know. If you do, please comment down below that you're interested or give it a thumbs up. If I see about 10 thumbs up, then I will go ahead and drop that as a video. And you can see how I achieved this bun and also how I achieved the low ponytail, which is what I ended up wearing for about a good week and a half. And it lasted for a long time. It looked really, really cute. So if you want to see a video on how I did that, just let me know. This is what I ended up having to do. Not quite what I had in mind, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, show me some support. And I will be back with you guys with another video very, very soon. Love you.